Welcome everyone to the TechLog YouTube channel. For this video of TechLog, today I will be showing you how you can create a Roblox account for yourself. To begin the process, first of all, you of course need to download the application, and once you downloaded it, tap upon the Roblox app. This is the home page of Roblox. Here you need to tap on sign up. To sign up into the Roblox, you will need to provide all the details that have been asked of you. So first is you provide date of birth, then tap on confirm birthday. Below you type in the name. Before you provide your name, you need to read the text box that says don't use your real name. So you will need to provide a nickname for your account. As you can see, the username is already in use, so you will need to try a different one. Once all the tick mark is done, that is the username is available, you will need to provide the password. After that, you need to choose your gender and then tap on sign up. And with that, you have created yourself a Roblox account. So this is how you can create a Roblox account easily. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.